Here I am in my home office, and I just unboxed the GLCON Tower Power Strip, and it's exactly as it's shown online. It has 10 different outlets, which is awesome. It has 4 USB ports, there's 2 here and 2 there. The cord goes out to 6.5 feet long, and I'm about to show you how I use it in my home office. Here it is in the corner of my home office, actually right next to my microwave that I use to heat up my coffee during the day when I am working from home. As you can see, it's so much cleaner and neater without all of the wires all over the place and various adapters on top of other adapters. And you can see there are power plugs and buttons for turning on and off power. If you don't want to have power going to a particular source, you can do so. And those are the USB ports down there, and you can see I'm using a lot of the plugs right now, but I still have 1, 2, 3, looks like 4 more plugs available, plus the USB ports. So it's really a great addition to my home office, and I'm really enjoying it. And at night the lights are kind of cool when all of the lights are off in my office. So I think it's a great buy, and it's just a great organizational tool for your office or your cubicle.